Hey and welcome. I'm Solo and this is CN Gaming. Alright, welcome back everyone. It's been a bit since I've actually posted a video. So today I'm gonna cover one of the basics that I've done quite a while ago. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over the polls and prediction system. My last video I forgot to show how it was completed. So I'm going to add it in this here video, and we're just going to go through it step by step. So I tuned into one of my favorite streamers, Toast from Malone. You should definitely go check them out. Great peoples, great communities. And we're just going to use their chat for this here example. So to get started, you can type in / and it's going to come up with a whole bunch of stuff. This should give you a list of commands, one of them being polls and predictions. You can just type P in to sort out pinned messages, polls, and predictions. So for this one here, it's going to be the exact same. We're going to go into predictions and just type enter. Now this is going to come up with whatever you want to put in. So we're going to type in a question here and I'll just be a minute. Okay, so this is Apex. So for the poll, I put how many kills I get. 1, more than 1. This is going to be funny because this is something that'll just be for the laughs. Once it's done there, you just click the next. It'll say confirm your prediction and just click got it. After that, it's going to show up over here and say how many kills I got. You can predict. If you're the one, if you make it, you should not predict. If you predict, you cannot finish it. So after it's done, after this here line goes all the way to the end, you can type in predict to get back to the page to finish it. But if you make a prediction and you're a moderator, you won't be able to finish it. You'll have to get the owner or someone else, another moderator. So definitely keep that in mind. And once it's done, it'll just disappear. So we just type in prediction again. Go here. Now this is where you're going to pick the winner, choose the outcome. So you can choose the outcome, more than 1, complete prediction, more than 1, are you sure, etc. You can not show this message again, or you can just click the complete prediction and have this here come up each time. But you can actually just don't show this message again if you want to, and just click complete. Now for polls, it's the same thing. You just type /P, it's the second one on the list. You click polls and you click enter. This is just going to bring you to the same thing. The question, we're going to type in what gun should I run next? And then just type in your responses. Anywhere from 1 to 5 is good. You're allowed additional votes. So you can click this here on and off. I don't like this. I want 1 vote per person. I don't want somebody to be on here with 1,000,000 channel points to click in 100 times. It's no good for me. We'll click it on 5 minutes. And we'll make sure this is not clicked. You can click this here if you want people just to spam votes, but you can just vote as many times as you want. It actually ruins the poll. So I leave that there off and just click start poll. This one's for 5 minutes. So after I click start poll, it's going to come up here in the top. People will be able to click from it and choose what they want. So I think this is a pretty cool feature. It's very easy. When it's done, it should show the answer, but we'll wait 5 minutes here, so it'll just take a minute and we'll get back to you. But this one here, the polls, is not quite the same, as it doesn't have a voting system that blocks you. It's more of the most percentage is the one that wins. So when you do vote here and this one here, it shouldn't cause you any problems. Like the last one, if you vote in, you will not be able to pick the answer. It will not let you, if you're a moderator, pick the answer if you vote it. So keep that in mind for the predictions. The polls, you should be able to, that you shouldn't have any problems. I'm going to give it a test here while this one here goes for 5 minutes.
R301 won! Good news, Taylor. The R301 was the winner.
Alright, once the poll is done, it's going to come up. It's going to show your results. It's going to show your answer here. I wasn't sure if it was going to pop up at the top, but here it is at the top. You can click it to see who picked what. 25% picked Mozambique, 25% picked Spitfire, 50% picked the R301. Good gun for Apex. It's definitely the cheat code. But that's it for this one here. You can just click on it. You can report the poll. And I'm pretty sure if you go into polls, you don't get to use it twice. So there's not a save, so you can't run multiple polls or use old past ones like you can in predictions. In the predictions, you can use past ones. So if I go into /predictions, I can show you that in the predictions, at least right here, you can go to the summary, start your prediction. But that's it. It'll tell you, it'll say 1 or 2%, 0 channel points awarded, 0 views. So you might have to actually have somebody predict before you can do it. And if you click start prediction, it will come up with your previous predictions. You can click on it it'll come up with your questions and your 2 answers, and you can click start prediction. So I wish the polls was kind of like this. I think that's a great feature. This is something I super enjoy. So if you're going to run the same prediction over and over and over again, this makes it very easy for your mods to be able to do it. But I just wanted to go over how to do this here really quick and how to finish it. But if nobody voted, nobody finished it. So I'm going to start this one here again. We're just going to predict to see how many kills. Alright, so this here time when it come up, it actually says choose outcome. So maybe I had to wait a little bit longer or somebody voted. I think this is yours perfect. This is perfect. Once somebody votes, you have to have, if nobody votes in here, you don't go through this here. What you do is you just type it in again and click on it, and it's going to say choose outcome. So now you can pick the winner. All you'll need to do in here is just select the one you want and complete prediction here. You can also click do not show this message again so that it doesn't show up. That tells you about the badges that you'll get, and just click complete. After that's done, the person in chat that won is going to have that badge beside their name, and that's really all there is to it. So now you know how to open it up, create it, and finish it. That is something that I did miss in the last video. So I hope that there gets you straightened out. But that's it for this one here. If you think I forgot or left something out, definitely leave it in the comments below. And if you like or found the video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching.